Hey superstars, happy July. It's Magi Helena. Here's your astrological forecast for July 2023 using scientific multidimensional astrology. My syndicated Your Daily Astrology horoscopes have millions of daily readers. Search out my forecasts online. As an astrology pioneer, I've turned complicated astrology into simple tools. If you don't have the time, training, or utilities to run all those calcs yourself, get answers instantly with my personal timing calendars and love compatibility reports. Big news is that Best and Worst Days will soon be available in advance for the rest of 2023 and all of 24. Because Best and Worst time periods shift in significantly different time zones, I'll be offering the new Best Worst advanced calendars for 4 regional zones. Soon you'll be able to really plan ahead. Sign up to my mailing list now so you won't miss out. I'll be offering a radical introductory coupon when these Best Worst advanced calendars drop. See a link under More. So July is a much better month overall than June, but we don't get too much real star power until month end. It's a meh month for the most part. Lots of ups and downs, but nothing too far from baseline until the end of the month. What this means is that the second best days are decent but not great, and among the worst days, even the very worst dark charcoal days aren't nearly as bad as in some other months. Remember, every month's days are relative to what is available inside the month itself, and not at all relative to other months. If you want to see exactly how each month compares to other months, you'll be able to see that data in the new Best Worst Days advanced calendars. July's very worst days are only about half as bad as June's worst days, for example. So while July's worst days can still be challenging days, they're easier to manage because there's just more light in the sky. Still, always remember, worst days pretty much mean that if it can go wrong, it will. With most July days not too much above or below zero, there isn't much to say until July's last day. The last day of July is a fabulous day for a first in money and career, but only if A, your personal cycles are also excellent for these things, and B, the particular enhancements to Sun and Earth are lined up with what you are initiating. If your personal money and or Cinderella cycles are weak, or if you've got mini or peaking nuclear or blackout cycles, it just won't bring you the outcome you want. There's a link and coupon below to get your own personal cycles instantly. Among the powerful geometries on July 31st are a Sun Midas Odin Yod. In Helio, there's an Earth Isis Diana grand trine giving fabulous progressions to Earth. Isis has much more power and a much broader application than you've been taught so far. As soon as I'm able, I'll be expanding all the free lessons on my website. The Planetary Symbolisms lesson will teach you about Isis and more as soon as these little fingers can get it done. Also on July 31st, there's big geometry in Geo 7 with Isis, Midas, Ixion, Quaoar, and the Chiron-Ixion midpoint. And this also syncs up with Chiron. Sun gets support from Uranus, Vesta, Eris, and the Jupiter-Ixion midpoint. Earth is empowered by Diana, Uranus, Maki-Maki, and the Venus-Chiron midpoint. This day has a lot of super success power if your personal cycles are up to this level too. Please don't ignore your own cycles and just use Best and Worst Day. A best day brings lots of helpful energy and momentum in the areas the day supports, but what actually brings it to you are your cycles on the day. You need both the power of a best day and the ability to harvest personally for your most important firsts, like a first meetup, starting a business or job, getting married, having surgery, or having a cosmetic procedure. Get DIY info for calculating your personal cycles and get a coupon, click More. And please, come visit me on MagiHelena.com. Better timing just equals better outcomes. Get understanding for current or past relationships and build out your dreams. Get there now. Text astrology to 51555. I said last month there's hope, and there is a lot of it, more than I would have thought. Form always follows energy, and the stars viewed through the lens of scientific astrology are your best guides to revealing the energies ahead. Better stars equal better energies equal better outcomes. Late 2023 and all of 24 bring us far better stars, which can in turn build a better world for all of us. Prospera ad astra, through adversity to the stars. I wish you a gorgeous July.